What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our video. In my garage today, we're 4 days away till the Minnesota opener, which is on Saturday, May 15th. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm excited to get out. It's been like about a month since I've been out fishing. Ice fishing ended quick here about a month ago, and I just been kind of hanging out, getting all my gear ready for summer fishing. So just want to let you guys know, getting the boat ready and the kayak. And that's what I'm going to be using on opener right here. Favorite thing to do is chase smallmouth bass on the Mississippi River, so can't wait to get back out after them. Got my rods all strung up and getting really excited to get out fishing. I know a lot of you guys are probably getting excited too. A lot of you guys from out of state are probably already out fishing, so tell me how you guys are doing. Bet you it's been fun. Can't wait to catch my first open water fish myself. So I just want to let you guys know I'm excited, but a lot of you are too. I'm getting ready to go. Going to go through my tackle this afternoon and get myself all set up and get ready for Saturday because I'm stoked. Weather should be good. Hopefully the bass are biting. So for the rest of this video, we're going to do a little highlight reel of last year and some of the nice bass I caught in the river. So check these fish out. A lot of fun. Pound for pound, the best fighters. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. There we go. There we go. Hooked up, first fish. Doesn't feel like a big one, but it's a fish. Never mind, it's a big ass fish. Oh my God, he's a big one. That's a big fish. Yeah, 18 plus. Oh shoot. Oh, yes. Check this one out. Look at that fish right there. I didn't think it was that big. It was swimming at me. Go, girl. Beautiful fish. Let's go ahead and let that one go. Goodbye, girl. Like a worm fell out of a tree right there. There's one. Didn't get a good hook set, but oh yeah. Wow. Today has just been crazy already. One after another. Feels like another dandy. All right. Maybe I underestimated this one. I thought this one, oh yeah, it's a big one. My arm's getting tired. Get over here. There we go. That's why you come to the Mississippi River right there. Look at that. Just another hog. Big old belly. God, these are great fighting fish. Just barely hooked. Look at this. Whoop. That's a nice one right there. Let's let that one go. Oh, there's a big fish. This is a big fish. I was not expecting that. I hope I have a good hook set. Here we go. Oh, he's not happy. Oh, he's taking me for a ride. Oh, okay. He is not happy. Nice fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's barely in there. Boom, there's a nice fish. Just wanting to curl on me. Look at that, it's got a mark on its tail. But another great fish at that. Powerful one too. These river smallies know how to fight. Good luck, fish. There we go. Got him, guys. He just came out and smoked it. There we go. First fish of the day. Feels like a big one. Oh, wow. That was a big fish. Oh, it's a big fish. Stay down. It's not hooked good. Stay down. Oh my God. It's like a 5-pounder. Wow. That was awesome. It's a big fish. That's why you come to the Mississippi River. Look at that fish. Nice. Goodbye. Yep. Oh, I don't know if I got a good hook set on him though. It was right on the jig. Hooked up again though. I don't think I got him a good hook set on him, but we're gonna try. Oh, it's a big one. It's another big one. Yes! Mississippi Gold. Check that out, guys. Big belly on her. Nice. Goodbye, girl. There he is. Big fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Don't take me into those trees. It's a big fish. I say it every time, but it's because it is a big fish every time. Oh, crap. It is? Yeah. Oh. Another massive bass. Today has been the land of the giants. Look at that fish. Another big belly. Awesome. Those fights are priceless. Too much fun. Let's go ahead and let her go. Always jumping behind me. Making fun of me. There's a nice one. There we go, guys. Wow, did you see that fish? That's a big fish. Nice. Just gotta get the trees a little bit. Keep it. Oh yeah. He liked that hellgrammite. Oh, I guess he's not ready to come back up yet. Oh, big one. There we go. Look at that one, guys. Nice dark one. Look at that big fish. Inhaled that hellgrammite. He liked that. Goodbye. Is that a fish? Didn't even know I had one on. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please stay on. Oh my goodness. Stay down. Stay down. Kind of a little sloppy mess, but he's about to spit it out. Oh my God. Oh! Look at that one, guys. Holy cow. Look at that spider sticking out of his mouth. That is a ginormous fish. She loved that spider. That is a big fish. Goodbye. There he is. Nice. We are hooked up. That's a big bass, guys. Nice. He's almost off. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. He's got one little hook in him. guys. Oh my goodness, he's in the net. Wow. Look at that smallmouth, guys. That might be my PB of the year right there. I'm gonna have to get a weight and measurement. Wow. Look at that fish. That is a wall mounter. Beauty. That's a PB for the year right there, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! There it is. Calls out the big fish.